When homeowners in Taylor look for ways to increase property value, they often think of kitchen upgrades, bathroom remodels, or fresh landscaping. While those improvements matter, one upgrade that consistently delivers strong returns is installing new patio doors. Modern patio doors do more than connect indoor and outdoor spaces. They enhance curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and make homes more desirable to buyers. First impressions matter more than ever. Patio doors are often a focal point of a home's exterior and interior. Old, outdated doors with foggy glass, warped frames, or difficult operation can immediately make a home feel neglected. New patio doors, on the other hand, create a polished and updated look that buyers notice right away. In Taylor, where outdoor living is a big part of everyday life, attractive patio doors signal that a home is designed for comfort and functionality. Clean lines, larger glass panels, and modern finishes instantly elevate the appearance of living spaces and make rooms feel brighter and more open. Increased natural light adds perceived value. Homes filled with natural light tend to feel larger, warmer, and more inviting. New patio doors often feature expansive glass panels that allow sunlight to flood into the home. This visual upgrade can significantly increase perceived square footage and improve the overall ambiance of the space. Buyers in Taylor frequently prioritize open, airy interiors, and upgraded patio doors help achieve that without expensive structural changes. A brighter home often photographs better, shows better, and sells faster. Energy efficiency is a major selling point. Energy efficiency has become a top priority for today's buyers, especially in areas that experience hot summers like Taylor. Modern patio doors are designed with insulated glass, advanced seals, and energy-efficient frames that help regulate indoor temperatures. Replacing old, drafty doors can reduce heating and cooling costs, which is a major selling point during home showings. Buyers are more willing to pay a higher price for a home that promises lower monthly utility bills and improved year-round comfort. Improved indoor-outdoor living. Taylor homeowners value outdoor spaces such as patios, decks, and backyards. New patio doors make these areas feel like an extension of the home rather than a separate space. Sliding or French patio doors provide smooth transitions for entertaining, relaxing, or family gatherings. Homes that emphasize indoor-outdoor living tend to appeal to a wider range of buyers. Whether it's hosting weekend barbecues or enjoying quiet mornings outside, upgraded patio doors make the lifestyle more appealing, and lifestyle sells homes. Enhanced security and peace of mind. Modern patio doors come with improved locking systems, stronger glass options, and reinforced frames. Buyers appreciate knowing that a home offers better security without sacrificing style. Upgrading patio doors shows that the homeowner invested in both comfort and safety, which can positively influence buying decisions. A cost-effective upgrade with strong ROI. Compared to full remodels, replacing patio doors is a relatively affordable improvement that delivers noticeable results. Many homeowners see a strong return on investment because the upgrade touches multiple buyer priorities at once: appearance, efficiency, comfort, and functionality. In competitive Taylor real estate markets, small but impactful upgrades can make the difference between a quick sale and a home that lingers. New patio doors often help homes stand out without over-improving for the neighborhood. A smart move for long-term value. Even if selling isn't immediate, new patio doors add long-term value and everyday enjoyment. Homeowners benefit from lower energy costs, improved aesthetics, and better use of outdoor spaces while building equity at the same time. For Taylor homeowners looking to increase home value without a full renovation, new patio doors offer a smart, stylish, and practical solution that pays off now and in the future.